Let's make these beautiful simple eyes that you can use for any crochet toys. I'm using the white yarn for this. First, I'm making a slip knot. This slip knot I will use as a chain 1. So chain 1, the second chain, and the third chain. Let's do one more chain to go to the next row. Now I will do 2 single crochet, so 1 single crochet, and putting my marker. Now let's make one more single crochet in the next chain, and in the last chain that will our slip knot, we will do 3 single crochet. So 1 single crochet, 2 and 3. Working down on the other side, we will make 1 single crochet in the next chain from the foundation row, and 2 single crochet in 1 chain, 1, and in the same chain the second single crochet. Now we will remove our marker and we'll make a slip stitch in this stitch. So that's it. Leave a long tail to sew and cut the thread. Our completed eyes should look like this.